Welcome back guys to Mathematical Mindset. So we have a square root math problem right here. We have this question. We are to find the square root of this number right here without making use of calculator. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing I want to simply just simplify this to be very easy. So we have this to be 1110 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 plus 8,889. All right, so we have this, which is equal to, now I've been able to simplify this, so let's simplify this. We have 111,000,000 plus 8,880 plus 9. So I've been able to expand this right here. So right here, this can be written as 111 multiplied 10 raised to the power of 5 in standard form plus 888 multiplied 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 9. Okay? So once we write it, the next thing we want to do is to simply express this to be in this format. So we can easily do that. So we take the square root of 111 multiplied 10 raised to the power of 5 plus, now this can be written as 8 multiply 111 multiply 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 9, which is equal to, now let's simply rewrite 111. Now 999 divide 9 is going to give us this, multiply 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 8 multiply 909 over 9, which is going to give us this, multiply 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 9. Okay, so we have that right here. So let's simply continue. So from this right here, 999, we want to simply rewrite this. Now we know that 1000 minus 1 is going to give us 999, right? So this is going to become 1000 minus 1 over 9 multiply 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 8 multiply, same thing here, 1000 minus 1 divide 9 multiply 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 9. So we have this right here, which is equal to, let's simply put in our square roots. We have, this can be written as 10 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 over 9 multiply 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 8 multiply 10 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 over 9 multiply 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 9. So we have this right here. So which is going to give us, so at this point, all we want to do is to simply expand. So we have this to be 10 raised to the power of 3 multiply 10 raised to the power of 5 minus 1 multiply 10 raised to the power of 5 over 9 plus, we have 8 into 10 multiply 3 multiply 10 raised to the power of 1 minus 1 multiply 10 raised to the power of 1 over 9 plus 9. So we have this right here, and this is going to give us, from this we have this to be, applying indices, so we have this to be 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 minus 10 raised to the power of 5 over 9 minus 8 into 3 plus 1 multiply 10 raised to the power of minus 10 raised to the power of 1 over 9. We have this to be plus 9. All right, and this is going to give us, from this point we have that 3 plus 5 is going to give us 8. So we have 10 raised to the power of 8 minus 10 raised to the power of 5 over 9 minus 8 into 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 10 raised to the power of 4 minus 10 raised to the power of 1 over 9 plus 9. So let's simply continue from this point right here. The next thing we want to do is to simply take the LCM of all of this right here. So taking the LCM, okay, so from this right here, we have that the square root of this is going to give us, so want to simply apply some rule right here. So at this point, we have that 10 raised to the power of 8 minus, now 10 raised to the power of 5 can be written as 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 plus 8 multiplied 10 raised to the power of 5 plus 1 all into 9, which is equal to the square root of. Now the next thing we want to do is to simply separate this part. So we have this to be 10 raised to the power of 8 minus 10 raised to the power of 4 multiply 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 8 multiply 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 over 9. So from here we want to simply factor out 10 raised to the power of 4 from this middle part. So we have this to be the square root of 10 raised to the power of 8 minus, now what is common between this and this? We have 10 raised to the power of 4. So what we have left is 10 plus 8 multiply 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 all into 9. So we have been able to factor out this middle part. So from this we take in the square root of this and we have this to be 9. So we have 10 raised to the power of 8 minus 10 plus 8 is going to give us minus 2 multiply 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 1, which is equal to, you take the square root of this right here, and 10 raised to the power of 8, we have 10 raised to the power of 4 of 2, which is the same thing as 10 raised to the power of 8, minus 2 multiply 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 over 9. So at this point, we want to simply continue from there. So the next thing we want to do is to factorize. Now let's simply rewrite what we want to factorize. I'm just going to rewrite the equation from where we stop. We have this to be 10 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 multiply 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 over 9. So if we simply factorize right here, we have this to be the square root of 10 raised to the power of 4 minus 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 over 9. Now how do we actually get it? Now we got this actually from, we know that a minus b square is going to give us a square minus 2ab plus b square from this. So let's simply work with this right here and impute this right into this equation right here. And with this part, we know that with a is equals to 10 raised to the power of 4 and b is equals to 1. So we want to simply solve this if we are going to get this from factorize. Now we want to show that what we factorize right here is going to give us this. So let's simply continue. So we have that a, we have a to be 10 raised to the power of 4. So this becomes 10 raised to the power of 4 all square minus 2a. What is a? We have 10 raised to the power of 4 and we have b to be 1 plus b square, which is 1 square, and this is going to give us 10 raised to the power of 4 all square minus 2 multiply 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 1. So as you can see, we have been able to get this right here. So that is how we're able to factorize and get that particular answer right here. So let's simply continue from this point. And we know that 10 raised to the power of 4 is 10,000. So this is going to become 10,000 minus 1 over 9. And remember, all square. So from this part, we have that 10,000 minus 1 is going to give us 999 all square over 9, right? But we know that 9 can be written as 3 square. So this is going to give us the square root of 999 all square over 3 square, which is equal to the square root of, you can easily rewrite this to be 999 over 3 all square. So this is going to cancel out this and we have this to be 9,999 over 3. Dividing this, we know that 3 here is 1 and 3 into this is going to give us 3,333, and this is going to become our final answer.